Okay, I'm going to give you a quick recap on where the oil is going to go. And there is going to be oil go here, there, going to go in here, right back there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 10 or 11 places to oil right there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then here, that already got greased. That's for the bottom bolt. And now here at this end, we're going to do that. We're going to do that already. So this is where we're going to oil. We're going to oil there. We're going to oil there, 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 there. And that's pretty much it on that end. There is here, and there is a joint there. When you get in here behind this reciprocating hook thing, take a real closer look. There's 1, 2, 3, at least 3 or 4 down there, and then the rest of it is fine. That's pretty clear there, I think. And do that down there. Look at that, that. There, that's pretty much the bottom over oiled. I'm going to flip to the top. So here I go with the top side oil and grease, and there's oil, there's oil, there's oil. I'm going to put oil in there, 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 there. So that pretty much covers it all. Pretty well got her there, boys and girls. Grease there, so we'll get that moving around a little. Share the grease. There's a bit of a jam on the, but I can't get it full. Anyway, there we go. Alrighty, at this end of the top, gonna put one there on the screw that holds the lid in. Gonna put one there, one there, one there, definitely one there, and there. We weren't able to see that yesterday. That part right in there, we couldn't see that, so here we can see it all now. Cool, so that's the top as it sits right there. Because there's one here that I already got yesterday, and there's one here that I already got. So that's where that is staying. And that's a quick recap, and coming up next is reinstalling the balance. Hope you guys are having fun. Stay safe. Remember, I need all the help I can get. Please subscribe. Thank you.